Alright, we got the new lead screw on it, and on the top and the bottom, so whatever math we use, it should be concurrent. We're going to go ahead and we're going to try to draw, what is it we're going to draw? A box and a box?
3 inch by 3 inch box.
3 inch by 3 inch box. So let her rip. And I don't know why it does that little pause thing.
It has to do with the SVG image. It has nothing to do with the actual art thing.
And we got that little gap there, right here. We don't know what causes it, but...
What gap? Oh, that?
The little gap in here. So we're drawing a box within a box. It's basically drawing the outline of the box here. And it does it on that and that. Then this isn't strong enough to bring it up all the way yet, so. I mean, it's off the paper, but it sits and makes the servo hum. So anyways, that's a huge improvement. Next thing we're going to work on is doing diagonals, and we're actually going to try to draw a picture eventually here. So we'll probably play with that tomorrow. So this is just a quick update on what's going on and with the new lead screws and everything, and things are looking better. So we'll keep you updated. Thanks a lot, guys. God bless you, and thanks for watching. Keep none you out. Bye.